We'll solve the equation x minus 5 times x plus 5 equals x plus 6, the quantity squared. Now the first thing that I'm going to do in solving this equation is to do the multiplications on each side of the equal sign. Here I have the product of the difference in the sum of the same two terms. So that product is going to be x squared minus 5 squared, or x squared minus 25. Here I'm squaring a binomial of the form a plus b, so I'm going to have the first term squared, x squared, plus 2 times x times 6, which is plus 12x, and then I'll have 6 squared, or 36. Now I'm going to subtract x squared on both sides of the equation. So we'll have x squared minus 25 minus x squared equals x squared plus 12x plus 36 minus x squared. Here x squared minus x squared is 0, so I have negative 25 on the left-hand side. X squared minus x squared is 0 again, and what I'm left with on the right-hand side then is 12x plus 36. Now I want to get the x term alone on the right-hand side, so I'll subtract 36 on both sides of the equation. So I'll have negative 25 minus 36, which is negative 61. And when I subtract 36 on the right-hand side, I have 12x left. And now to get x alone, I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of x, 12. So I'd have negative 61 over 12 is equal to 12x divided by 12. And negative 61 divided by 12 is negative 61 over 12. 12x divided by 12 is x. So we would say that the solution of the equation is negative 61 over 12.